Which countries in the world offer the most value for your money? Where should you travel cheap in 2021? We have made list of top 10 cheapest travel destinations in the world. These are most affordable attractions. They have cheap hotels and lodging options. They are easy to commute with great transportation facility. They offer great street food. They have significant options for arrival. Vietnam is a Southeast Asian country known for its beaches, rivers, Buddhist pagodas, and bustling cities. Vietnam is an extremely safe and cheapest country to travel in. You can afford cheap guest houses, local food, and transportation in just $20 a day. Hanoi is the capital and French colonial city. It is known for its delicious food, vibrant nightlife, silks, and handicrafts. Ukraine is one of the cheapest countries in Europe. Ukraine is a large country in Eastern Europe known for its Orthodox churches, Black Sea coastline, and forest mountains. It is a safe place to travel whatever you are visiting the capital Kyiv or coastal towns such as Odessa. You can afford a room, food, and transportation in just 40 days. Romania is not only most beautiful but also very budget-friendly country of Europe. It is known for the forest region of Transylvania, Bran Castle, and Dracula legend. Bucharest is the country's capital. You can comfortably enjoy your time here for as little as $30 to $40 per day. India, the most populous democracy in the world, has been always cheapest country to travel. With their spiritual beliefs, you will never regret spending time here. Do not miss to visit iconic Taj Mahal, beaches of Goa, the holy city of Varanasi, and metro cities like New Delhi and Mumbai. You can get good hotels and good food in as little as $20 per day. Bulgaria is one of the most affordable destinations in Europe. You can do a lot on a tight budget, and even most of the country's attractions like museums and historical sites are cheap. You should plan to spend around $60 per day on your vacation in Bulgaria. Cambodia is most affordable, welcoming, friendly and safe country. The low cost of food and accommodation in Cambodia makes it a great budget traveling destination. Angkor Wat is one of the most amazing historical sites in the world. If you are backpacking Cambodia, you will spend around $25 per day. Costa Rica is one of the most expensive Central America. It maintains balance of budget friendliness and safety. In this magical destination, you will get cloud forest, turtles, surfing, volcanoes, whitewater rafting, nature preserves, and deep sea diving. Can survive on around $30 to $50 per day. Argentina is one of the best countries to experience Latino culture, tango and street art. It offers great hospitality for convenient cost. A vacation to Argentina for 1 week usually costs around $200. The glacier and mountain of Patagonia are impressive, and the waterfall in Iguazu are the biggest and most beautiful in the world. Mongolia is one of the best places to go on cheap budget. Mongolia might not be the easiest country to travel around, but it is the perfect land for adventures and thrill seekers. The people are friendly, the food is tasty, and the landscape is beautiful. The Gobi Desert is wonderful. A vacation to Mongolia for 1 week usually costs around $125. Just like India, Thailand is very spiritual country with incredible and friendly people. It is known for great arts, martial arts, beaches and many temples. Thailand also has many islands with numerous resorts. If you are backpacking Thailand, plan to budget between $25 to $35 per day.
If you have liked this video, please leave a like, and if you are new to the channel, then subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the new videos.